That bag over
You're right.
Yeah. So you're not going to buy that putter?
I was like, I'm doomed. I think I got it. Do have a special request for you, so please hang tight in the video. How's it going? Glad the weather's holding out.
I know, me too.
They might be a little few and far between today, but
Yeah, I know. We were debating on having it, and I was like, you know, we just so busy with kids graduating and everything else. It's just like, you know, we got to take a gamble.
yeah, this season, yeah.
Yeah.
This season makes it fun.
Yep.
I see a DS game. Didn't know if you had any video game stuff.
No, I don't think so.
Right. Hogs of the 90s. Oh yeah.
Donnie Warren and Rick Doc Walker. Together, they sit at number 3 on our list.
Good morning.
Oh, you $1.
All right.
Lemonade stand warm up and rolling yet?
It's she's inside.
It's
getting
waking up.
herself together.
Hey, that's all good if you got change.
I do.
All right, we picked up this first Washington Redskins, now known as the Commanders, shirt for $1, vintage single stitch. We have it listed for $35. Should go pretty good at the beginning of football season.
Look, first item to sell.
See?
What I tell you, Desiree.
Yeah.
There you go.
What'd she tell you? They won't go move?
Yeah, I said, I bet you it's gonna be something redskin.
How's it going?
Good morning.
Doing pretty good.
Good. Hard to tell what the weather's gonna do. I pretty much kept everything in the garage.
Right, you're like, keep it safe and
Yeah, exactly.
rather be safe
Don't
than
know
sorry.
What it's gonna do, yeah. Don't know.
Oh, that's cool. Armchair quarterback.
The game.
Yeah, it looks cool. I see these. You got any like old NASCAR t-shirts and stuff?
No NASCAR t-shirts.
Yeah.
Just koozies.
Yeah, I saw those. Those are cool.
Yeah. I'm sure we do have old NASCAR t-shirts, but you know, my hubby's not here, so.
Right.
That would be in his stash of things.
Right. Okay. Well, yeah, just seeing what you had.
Okay.
So.
Thank
Looks
you.
like, yeah, that, you know, somebody will get that hooked on phonics set. We got that at home, so.
Do you? Okay, that's cool.
Yeah. Well, these are pretty cool.
Yeah, you're welcome to dig all through there. I didn't price small. I just put 25 cents on each at top, but you're welcome to dump it out and check it out.
What would you take for the whole bag?
Oh, wow. $2.
$2?
Yep.
Make it easy.
All right, cool.
Better than digging through. I'll dig
That's
through
right.
later.
There you go. All right,
There
cool.
you go.
Enjoy.
Hey, you too. I grabbed this entire bag of plush, which was mostly Webkins, didn't have the tags on them, and it had one Busch Gardens plush, this nice little penguin. We sold that Penguin for $5, and we listed all the other Webkins for $20. So a $2 investment already paid for. How's it going?
It's going.
I think people are just watching the weather. They're trying to figure out.
A number of our neighbors decided not to put anything out.
Yeah, and that's what I kind of felt like. Was that going to happen? You know. But hey, thank you for putting some of your stuff out. How much did you have on your ink? $2. $2. All right, sir.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you. See what they got over here. It's always good to pick up HP printer ink. This ink specifically, $2, listed for $30, has a watcher already.
Most of little cars, you don't fall down in it, you just sit down in it, just like a regular car. Morning,
How's
sir.
it going?
Man's got his body cam on.
Yeah, well, we do this on YouTube.
Okay.
Show people, don't let stuff go to waste. Go out there. Somebody else getting rid of something could be your treasure.
That's
you know.
correct.
So we like to, because people are like, you know. Oh, why didn't you get that? I missed that. And so it's a lot of fun. So Harry Tornado was right. Get a little golf cart or a scooter or something. How's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Just enjoying the weather while it stays like this.
Oh yeah.
You know, I'm like, as long as it can.
Yeah, hopefully it stays like this.
Yeah, I'm hoping so. You have a good one, sir. How much were you asking on your shoes?
Which one?
I was trying to call my wife because, you know, I got to remember. Yeah, so the New Balances and stuff.
I like those would be like $2.
Okay.
They're a little, and then, you know, $1.
Okay.
Probably $2 for that.
You have change on you?
How much?
This is 2, 4. These are $1 a piece, so it'd be 6.
Okay.
I just have a 20, so.
Okay, sure. If you hang on real quick.
No problem. It was a lot of yard sales that weren't putting a lot of stuff out because of the chance of rain, but this one was like the haul. I got 4 items there, 2 pair of New Balance 990 kid sizes. One was like a 1.5 and one was a 4, and they were both wide. Look those up. The blue navy pair should go for about $35 to $40. I still have to do some cleaning on the black and gray pair. They should go for about $30. The other 2 items were 2 Mario shirts for our awesome little boys. Hello, how you doing?
That's a woman's starter set that you're looking at.
I was just looking at the putter.
Oh, you're looking at the putter? Okay. You looking for a putter?
Yeah.
We have putter. You have putter.
I have a putter over here I don't want to sell, but if he's looking for a putter, I'll
Go
sell
ahead,
it.
sell, yeah.
Well, what was it?
It's a good one. It's not a...
Yeah. You would want to sell that.
The six
But that's a
tray.
good one.
Yeah, that's a good one, but I wasn't gonna sell it, but if he's looking for a putter
I'm not gonna make you sell it. You know,
Yes.
one that you enjoy.
Buy it. He have another one. Yeah.
Because
Oh,
I wouldn't
I'm looking
take
for
less
bag.
than $100 for that bag over
You're
there.
right.
Yeah. So you're not going to buy that putter?
No, probably not.
Okay.
So I'm still on the hunt.
Okay.
But thank you.
Yeah, you gotta find what you want when you play it.
Right. Otherwise, I just build a collection.
That's like I'm doing. Like
Yeah. Y'all have a good one. How you doing? Doing good.
It's not raining yet.
Exactly. Can't complain if it's not raining.
That's right.
Just gotta enjoy it and get out while you can. Ooh-wee. I was just glad y'all were still doing it, so. Yeah. Going like, okay, we're gonna do it. Oh, I'm knocking stuff down.
Are you being a boy and messing that up?
You know me.
that's what we do.
You're like, what do I do with these arms?
No, I see, one fell and then it knocked the other one down and I was like, I'm doomed. I think I got it. Will you take 10 on the jacket?
Sure.
I think the colors are cool.
Yeah.
They look too cool.
I am going to keep the hanger though.
That's fine. That is fine. Yeah, I'm a guy. I'm not gonna hang it up anyway.
Oh, well, there we go. That worked out for everybody involved.
All right, thank you.
You're very welcome.
That is
and
cool.
congratulations.
Thank you. It's gonna be the last one. We're done after this. This will be number 3. So we got 2 boys, and this will be the little girl to keep them all straight.
Oh, there you go. I like it.
Take care. How you doing? That thing is cool. It is Columbia, but that Columbia jacket was one of the coolest jackets I've seen. It's vintage, great colorway on there. That's what got my attention. They were asking $15, offered them 10. They took that. We listed this jacket right here at the beginning of summer, and it already has a few watchers on it. $40. Hey, if we get like a $30 offer, we'll take it to sell a thick winter ski jacket right here in the beginning of summer. So a pretty good haul. Stopped at one yard sale outside of a neighborhood and all these inside that neighborhood. And I want to cover this because I do have a special request for you. So please hang tight in the video because I'm not going to talk crazy about this. Rain did roll in at about 9:45. I spent $21 and got those few finds that will still turn into some good money. And I love going out to yard sales because some of the people were just hoping people would stop by. And so I was glad I was able to do so. But for that request, we've had a lot of family members with health issues and things like that. And I'm not asking any money or anything like that from you all. We've had quite a few family members. My wife Brittany's grandfather is going through cancer treatment, and also my aunt. And those are just great people in our lives. And my uncle, my aunt's husband, my dad's brother, they faithfully watch the channel. They just like to support what we do, love the cool stuff that we find. And the road has been tough for my aunt, and really what I want to request from you, if you're the praying type of person, and that's what we do, with our faith and things like that, but also if you just want to comment a line of encouragement. As conditions have gotten worse, she might be losing her eyesight and things such as that, and I just know you guys are so supportive and faithful, and we appreciate it all the time. We really do. I'm going to send a message to my uncle because I know you guys are just great, positive, uplifting people. And that's something fun that he likes to do. He likes to read her notes of encouragement and things like that. I won't go into specifics. Her name is Cindy. My wife's grandfather, his name is David, and we're just really praying for them, lifting them up, and that, you know, God's will be done, and really just giving them a sense of peace as they go through this. It's a tough time. But specifically for them, hey, just shout them out in the comments, some just encouragement, some positive words, some refreshing words, and any type of prayers. We would greatly appreciate it for them. You know, we love our family. It's one of the other like F's in what we say, flips, finds, fun, but we're definitely about family, and we love supporting family, and we always love praying for you guys and everything that's happening in your lives as well. So please don't think this is one-sided. But that's just my simple request. If not, hey, thank you so much for just tuning in to today's video. We just love bringing you a few finds, how we flip these, and the fun that we do have. And I just want to say thank you in advance for your support, for tuning in, watching this, and just supporting things that are happening in our family's lives as well. But hey, that will wrap up today's video. Be sure to give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and always check out some of the other videos. We love making different type of content: estate sales, yard sales, private picks. We do free inventory cleanouts for people. But be sure to tune into one of these other videos, and we'll see you again on the next one. Make the world a better place with a sale and a smile. We love you. Bye.